Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. This is Ashok from TechiBee, and today's video I'll be showing you how can you install Project Treble based ROM on your Mi A1. And in this video we'll be using Pixel Experience ROM. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as you can see, this is my Mi A1 which is running on Android 8.0 with a security patch of 5th May 2018. First of all, make sure to take a complete backup of your device because we need to repartition the device and that will erase your complete internal storage. You need to have TWRP recovery installed on your device and the device should be unlocked. If it is not unlocked, you can check the video in the description below. That will help you out in unlocking and installing TWRP recovery on your Mi A1. After that, you need to have few files. So these are the files which includes vendor image, Pixel ROM image, recovery image and a TWRP recovery installer. And guys, make sure to download all the files which I have mentioned in the description below. Do not use any kind of other files and place these files inside single folder that should be inside ADB folder itself. I'll also put up a link to install ADB drivers on your PC. So once you have everything done, go to About Phone, tap build number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. Go to developer options. As you can see, OEM is already unlocked. I need to enable USB debugging from here. Once I'm done with that, just reboot your device to Fastboot. To do that, power off your device. Once your device is powered off, hold volume down and power key together. Once you see this Fastboot logo, release the buttons, then connect your device to PC. After that, inside your PC where you have all the files available, you need to open command prompt. From here, type cmd in the address bar, hit enter and now flash the recovery file. So we'll be using this recovery. Copy the name from here, open up command prompt, type fastboot boot and paste the name of the recovery followed by .img. Hit enter now. Now your device will boot up in TWRP recovery. After your device boots into TWRP recovery, swipe to allow modification. Now you need to paste the recovery installer. So copy this recovery installer from here and paste it inside the internal storage of your device. Once you are done with that, now you need to repartition your device. So go to install and select the TWRP recovery installer. So select this, swipe to confirm flash. Once you are done with that, go back and now reboot recovery. So once you are back into recovery, then what you need to do is you need to go to advanced, select Tsort manager. And here you need to repartition the device. Hit next, go to repartition and make sure you select the first option, that is shrink user data. Select next, next and now hit reboot TWRP recovery. And after booting to TWRP recovery, if it is asking for password, then just go back, swipe allow modification, go to wipe, format data and type yes. Once this is done, go back. Now again reboot recovery. So swipe allow modification again. Now we have successfully repartitioned the device. So now what we have to do is we need to copy the files inside internal storage. So I'll tell you which all files are required. First is the boot image, Pixel Experience ROM and the vendor image. Copy 3 of them and place it inside the internal storage of your device. You can also use any other ROM if you want. I'm using Pixel Experience, that's my personal choice, and it also includes Google App Package. So I don't have to flash the Google App Package separately after flashing the ROM. But whenever you download any GSI image, make sure you are having AB partition image. Do not download single partition image because that is not possible to flash on Mi A1 because this device have dual partition, that is A and B. After you have successfully copied the files, go to install select install images, and now these are the images which we have copied. First you need to flash the vendor image. Select vendor image over here under partition, swipe to install image. After that go back again, select boot image and select boot in the partition. Swipe to install image. Again go back, now select pixel experience and here you need to select system image. Swipe to install image. And now we have successfully flashed all the three files. Now you need to flash the TWRP installer. So select this and swipe to confirm flash. So now we have successfully flashed all the files required, and here we are using Pixel Experience ROM, so we don't require Google App Package. But if you are using any other ROM, then you need to install Google App Package. For that, reboot your recovery, and once your recovery is back, then select Google App Package which you have downloaded and swipe to confirm flash. That's it. And any other video where I'm installing different ROM, I'll also include the installation video. So now we have completed everything. We just need to reboot our system. So your device will take somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes to boot up. Once it boots up, complete the initial setup. And once the initial setup is completed, going to settings, system, about phone. Here you can see model is Treble ARM64 AB partition. Android version is 8.1 with a security patch of 5th May 2018. So now we have successfully installed Treble based ROM on MI A1. So guys, this way you can install any Treble based ROM on your MI A1. And if you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.